To this court case now, the case against a 41-year-old man linked to the alleged torture of patrons at Zanzou Nightclub has been postponed to next Monday. During today's proceedings in the Pretoria Magistrate's Court, the man claimed he was tortured by police following his arrest last Thursday. SABC News reporter Calvin Dludla has more for us.
We are still here at the Pretoria Magistrate Court. A case against a 41-year-old male has been postponed to the 3rd of March 2025. You would remember a tragic incident that took place in Zanzou where videos went viral showing some brutality that was taking place. And now we are introducing Lumka Mahanjana, who speaks for the National Prosecuting Authority here in Pretoria. Lumka, thank you very much for your time. You can just paint a picture on what transpired in court today.
So basically, a 41-year-old Congolese national, which is a male, appeared briefly at the Pretoria Magistrate's Court. He is facing 8 counts of compelled sexual assault and 6 counts of assault GBH. This matter today was postponed to the 3rd of March for bail information. So basically what that means is that the state, we still need to do an identity parade of some of the victims that still need to identify the accused. And number 2, the state also needs to verify the documents that he handed in court to verify whether indeed he is legal in the country.
There were major delays when it came to the application that was done by the media. You can also elaborate on that, because we are told now that in this session we are not allowed to broadcast, but maybe later we can be allowed.
Yes, that is true. Simply because the state still needs to conduct an identity parade. So we do not want to compromise the case. Remember, the victims still need to identify the accused. So we do not want a situation where the accused then says, no, the victims identified me because they saw me from media, whether TV, whether print or wherever. So just to protect the integrity of the court and to allow that process to unfold, thereafter the media will then be allowed to film in court.
The person that you had there on the dock is the right person?
Remember, as the state, we do not enroll any matter until there's prima facie evidence, meaning there's somehow a person linked to the offense. So indeed, we enrolled the matter, which then means that there is prima facie case against the accused.
Fully aware that this has brought attention to the whole country and the media at large.
Yes, this case is so unfortunate that this incident happened. And what is more unfortunate is that this incident happened in 2023 and other incident happened in 2022. And only this year, on the 7th and the 8th of February, did the victims come forward, did the male victims come forward to report the case. And it's so unfortunate that they took that time to report. But I'd like to take this opportunity and urge victims to report so that these cases can be attended to. So we'd like to urge, especially male victims who do not, lack of a better word, sometimes come forward and report, to come forward and report. And anybody who has experienced such a thing at that particular establishment or any other establishment, to come forward and report.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Well, that was Lumka Mahanjana, as I have mentioned. She speaks for the NPA in Pretoria region, saying that as NPA, they are urging other victims to come forward and report such cases, especially on what transpired at Zanzou bar.